Let me explain to you that how this sheet works actually. So first of all, in tab calendar view individual, you can select the employee and it will show you the individual view. And you can also select the year. It will show the leaves and it is color coded. For example, there is PTO, and if I change the employee, so it will change accordingly, and it will show here last year comparison. For example, if I change this year to 2026, so you can see it is comparing with 2025 because I have not added any leave for this employee too, so it is showing 0% and up 100%. It will show accordingly if you add previous year data in this tab. For example, there is 2025. Okay, moving forward, let me tell you first. These are the total leaves on days on leave, and these are working days, and then these are the leave types. Okay, and you can see Saturday and Sunday are slightly colored, gray color. And if you add any leave by mistake, for example, here 3rd of January, so it will be color coded, but it will still show as gray. Okay. Then there is overall view. This shows you can see there are two colors, green and red. So basically, these colors come from this criteria. Let me show you in the last tab, which is rag. You can set percentage absent criteria. For example, I have set if 20% implies are absent in a single day, then this will highlight that day in red color, then this 15% amber and green 10%. So, and it will show here. For example, if I change the year 2026, so you can see there is green 2026, it will, sorry, 2025, it will change back to the original. And you can change the starting day here as well. Well, for example, you want to see Monday, so whole calendar will be changed accordingly. Okay, we will keep Sunday for now. Then I have also added here leave criteria. This is basically a screenshot shot from that tab, and there is today color. If I change this 2026, so you can see it is showing 16 April, and you can see here you can select the year from this, and you can also change these years from here. For example, you can see 20, if I add 2050, so it will show here 2050 at the end. Okay. Basically, this shows overall attendance status of employees. If they are green, then it is okay. If they are red, then you need to consider your employee leave percentage. Then there is add leaves. You can add your employee leaves data. First is employee name, then team, and start date, and date type of leave, days, and conflict. And if you don't need this column, so you can just hide this, or you don't want to see conflict, so you can also hide this. Means to say, if you don't need any feature, so you can just simply ignore that and hide that specific column. Let me tell you how I add new data. So here first I will select any employee, and these employees are coming from list of employees. If you change it here, add new employees or update these names, they will automatically, for example, here is employee 30. I change here employee 31. Okay, let me check. It will show here now. employee 31. Okay, so this is totally customizable and you can change the employee numbers and their names and their teams. And after that, there you can see the start date, then end date. Then there is a PTO type of leaves. These are coming from leave types here. You can add any leave here and it will automatically populate it there. So then there are number of days, it is calculating network days minus end date and then first list of holidays. It will minus the company holidays which will you add here. You can change dates, you can change description. These are your company holidays. Okay, moving forward, let me show you how this works conflict. For example, there is a tab which is backup list. If you have a scenario where two employees cannot be on leaves on same day, so you can set them. For example, employee 2 is backup of employee 1 and same employee 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can change them. Here also showing drop downs. Okay, so you can see employee 1 and employee 2 are backup of each other. So if I change, I copy this. Let me add. Okay, let me add here employee 14. Oh, sorry, it is fine to change date here. I'm going to delete this date. Okay, now I'm going to add the same date here. We will see. It will not allow you add the date if there is this implies backup of that employee. For example, employee 2 is backup of employee 1, so I will add here. Sorry, 1 to 25. You can see data validation error. It will not let you add anything here. Let me clean this data. One. Okay, so you can see you cannot add. It will also show here and also will not let you add the date, same date, which is the date of backup employee. Okay, for example, if you copy paste this, you can say and conflict with backup. It will not allow you enter manually, but if you copy paste the same date, you can paste it, but it will still show the conflict with backup. So make sure you add dates like by hand if you face such situation, so that you cannot add like you cannot allow same employee for leave on same day. Okay, moving forward, there is a list of employees and let me show you. If you don't want to uh, change this, you don't want to use this scenario, so you can just go to backup list and clear them, these employees, delete, and you no need to be worry. You just add, you can enter same date simply and it will not show you any error. Okay, as I mentioned earlier that you can hide anything which you don't want or you can just ignore. And then there is a list of employee, I already explained. Then there is company holidays, you can set them here. Then there are leave types and backup list, already mentioned. Then there is a criteria. If you need any further explanation, so you can inbox me on my account, so we will connect. Thank you.